While it's generally good for us to socialize and pretend we're exactly like everyone else, it may be just as beneficial to acknowledge that we might be a little different from the norm, even if that difference isn't always reason for alarm or embarrassment. Maybe we're just an oddball bunch that value love more than anything else. To ponder one's inner workings in an effort to gain insight into one's own mental state and emotional makeup. To dissect their immaturity and explore the inner workings of their developing psyches. We fortunate outliers are a part of an exclusive group, the ardent self-aware. Heed the ancient Greek admonition to know thyself. For humans to be so preoccupied with introspection, we must have developed some very out there traits. We're going to have a great time hanging out with ourselves. For the right price, a full day's outing may be something we're up for. By ourselves, soaking in our own self. If someone has to cancel dinner on us, it's not a big deal. Some of us keep diaries or electronic files in which we dissect issues at length. Perhaps in the evenings we enjoy taking long, hot showers or strolling the neighborhood by ourselves. Possible extensive reading. Though in a unique fashion, by constantly keeping an eye for the ways that the thoughts of others might illuminate on, and better define, parts of who we are. We are often less patient than other folks, who always look to the surface for answers. Most likely, we were invited to a party once. During supper, rather defensively, why we were interviewing them when we weren't. Simply, we were deflecting some of the maniacal interest we usually put inwards toward them. Half the joy of being in love isn't having someone to sex with or snuggle up with. To have a live conversation with us about one of life's greatest mysteries, interpersonal connections, as it unfolds before our eyes. Even though we've probably both been let down by our fair share of therapists, we might give it another shot. It will always be something that intrigues us on our own. Quite a few of our go-to reads will delve into the human psyche, as we're encouraged to do in therapy. Although it has been quite some time since we have resided with our biological family, we intend to keep investigating how. It's impossible to escape thinking about our parents, who shaped who we are today. We've softened up and are now just genuinely curious about them. It's common for others to try to sway us toward what they consider to be more entertaining activities, such as visiting a nearby beach or theme park. Join us at a party or a shopping trip, and though we'll likely find common ground and enjoy some good times together, we prefer to stay indoors, most likely in bed, and watch TV. With a pen and paper in hand, pondering the meaning of life. This is how we hope death will come to us when we are old and gray. Neither frightened nor oblivious, but interested and paying close attention, wondering what we will experience and yet speculating about what could. What our fleeting time here on Earth was all about. Knowing who we are won't be complete by that point. But when we made an effort to do so is when we felt the most alive. If you find this video to be helpful, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell.